Hey guys, check out the Dewalt 20-volt cordless tripod light. The Dewalt engineers pack some fantastic features into this unit. It's powerful, strong, stable, and versatile. On the highest of the three output levels, the work light produces 3,000 lumens, and it does so with an impressive wide angle to illuminate a large area. Having spent so many years of my career working on building interiors before the electrical trim was installed, I cannot emphasize enough how impressed I am with the design and performance of this unit. First of all, you can walk in with the light on, using it as a giant flashlight to get to your work area. When you set it down, the base is quite stable even before you deploy the tripod legs, which can be done quickly and easily. The extension poles operate smoothly and can extend until the light head is about 7 feet above the floor. The extension pole design prevents the light head from free falling when released, which should help with longevity and prevent accidents. The light head can be operated straight up for indirect light or pointed directly toward the work area. The light gives a low battery warning by blinking and dropping to a lower output level. The battery compartment accommodates the current FlexVolt batteries or any other version of Dewalt's 20-volt batteries. The light head, extension poles, latches, main tower, tripod legs, and feet are well protected. The light lens appears to be a shatterproof polycarbonate. The carrying handle could have been located down the unit for better balance with the battery installed, but this is a minor problem. This work light is well designed, well constructed, and well worth the $199 MSRP. That's the bare tool without battery and charger. Dewalt did an excellent job on this tool.